How do you get your home to stand out in a sea of homes? Hi, Christy Milligan with Coldwell Banker. When selling your home, putting a for sale sign in the yard and an MLS listing are just not enough. You're missing out on platforms with the most traffic, like social media. Did you know that 77% of home buyers begin their search on social media? Doesn't it make sense to put your home where the buyers are? You're watching this video right now because you've seen one of my previous videos. Have you ever noticed when you're shopping online, whatever you're shopping for starts following you everywhere you go? Well, I use the same strategies that Fortune 500 companies use to sell your home and put your home in front of thousands of potential buyers. When you're ready to sell your home for the highest price in the shortest amount of time, please give me a call. I look forward to hearing from you. It's Christy Milligan with Coldwell Banker. Make it a great day.